This is a SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. It's actually a successor to the SoundPEATS Air5, which I previously reviewed on this channel. So it's really great in terms of the design. It has amazing build quality. The sound here is just good, especially with the Qualcomm Snapdragon sound support that you have with this. This is the first time that I'm trying any earbud that has Snapdragon sound support. This video I'm doing an unboxing and review of the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. My name is Abeg. If you like this video, come subscribe to the channel and let's right into it. So with the unboxing experience, it's very simple. It comes with a simple, minimal packaging that you have over here with the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro really right design on top of the box. So inside the box, you're going to find very simple, minimalistic kind of branding and boxing experience. So you have a USB-C charging with it. It also comes with manual controllers and you have stickers and all that. And then you're also going to find extra tips. So the earbud, you have extra tips for it that you're going to find. I think that's really handy, especially when it comes to this. Look at the build and the design. For me, I think that the build and design are very different compared to the original SoundPEATS Air5. One of the problems that I had with the Air5, the original one that came, I didn't really like the tip over here. That is the construction that has to do with the head, which fits into your ears. And I found it very difficult, especially having it to stay into my ears for longer sessions and hours. So mostly, it's either I'm going to lose the ears or I'm going to have it come out of my ears because I don't know, for whatever reason, I felt it's too bigger for my eardrum. So that was the biggest issue that I had with the original SoundPEATS Air5. Air5 Pro comes with a different kind of design. And I like the design language that I find over here. The design here is very right on point, spot on. And because that it comes with a tip, and so it easily fits into the ear without it falling off. The build here is built from solid plastic. It's also made of a matte finish. I really like the design language that comes with SoundPEATS, especially for the fact that it has this kind of matte finish coated that comes with it. And so it's not going to have any smudges or fingerprint layers imprinted on the case. The design over here is very simple. It's very firm, especially when you close and open it. On the bottom part, you're going to find that you have a USB-C charging over here, and which luckily for them, they come with a USB-C cord, something that really is going to integrate with all USB charging accessories that you have at home. One of the things that I don't really like about this is the fact that it doesn't come with wireless charging. So I really think that SoundPEATS needs to look at this kind of charging technology. I think with USB is good, but also offer something that is genuinely really available and easy to have on the go, because a lot of wireless charging accessories are on the market, and so having this to be designed in such a way that to have a wireless charging would be great. In terms of the weight, each of the bud that you have within this weighs roughly around 4.5 grams, and then in combination with the bars as well as the case, it gives you about 50 grams. So it's extremely lightweight, pocketable, easy to travel with. It just fits into your pocket, your purse and all that easily. The size is compact, great inside. Another thing that I like about design has to do with the fact that it comes with an IPS5. You have an IPS5 rating, so in terms of you having to have sweat with you, especially when you go to the gym and all that, or listen to music for long sessions, it's not going to be a problem. I don't think there are a lot of earbuds that's within this price bracket that is giving you all this kind of important thing. And let's look at the sound that comes with this. I mean, for the Air5, the initial one that came, I really enjoyed it and I like the sound that comes out of this. But with this, it's giving it an extra push. You're going to get high-res audio performance with this SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. You are getting LDAC performance over here. You're also getting apts wireless and lossless performance over here. Now these things that you have, or technology you have over here, you have to enable them within the app. The app comes in handy. You can find them on the App Store or the Play Store. SoundPEATS app is one of the best that I've used so far, and the fact that you're going to have the ability to tweak and change the trebles, the EQ values, you have all these kind of things that you can tweak manually to have your own kind of design and flavor that you want with it. I also like the fact that you have EQ customized ones that you have that you can enable and give you performance in terms of the sound quality. The mid tones over here, they are quite really nice and flavorful. The trebles here are a bit higher, but I think that even with the trebles, when you use the app, you can lower it to fine tune and tweak it to the way that you want. But for me, the bass over here They are really punchy, they are detailed, the midtones are really rich in terms of the sound clarity. The fit is also one of the things that you can find over here, and which are not going to fall off or anything like that, and they are really easily the best that I've seen so far in terms of the budget price points for earbuds. Now let's get some of the most important features that makes this SoundPEATS Air5 Pro a standout. 1. It has ANC, active noise cancellation, for about 55 decibels with this very small, budget-friendly, compact in size Air5 Pro. Now that means that you have an active noise cancellation, and when you use it to listen to music and you have any environment that is really noisy and ambience that has a lot of boisterous things going on and all that, this is going to be able to proactively cut out the noise and leave you in that kind of reality world where you are going to listen to your music and enjoy. It also has multi-point 5.4 Bluetooth, so you can easily connect to 2 devices at a go. And that means that when you are switching between 2 devices or across devices, it's very seamless. You have no lag or latency that comes with this. That is really one of the powerful features I found with this Air5 Pro. So a 6 mic system which helps in suppression of ambience noise, especially when you are making calls. So using this to make calls, they are really crispy. The calls are detailed. I used to make a lot of calls and no one from the other end of the call, especially on WhatsApp and Instagram. And with the AI active noise cancellation, you are going to get incredible performance, crystal clear audio, clear voice control that you're going to have with this. Also, in terms of the charging, within just 10 minutes, you are getting 2 hours of solid battery life with this. And overall, with a case and everything, you are getting 37 hours of battery life with this SoundPEATS Air5 Pro, which for me, I think is really great. It's an all-day battery life that you are going to get with this. With each earbud, you are getting 7.5 hours, so roughly around 8 hours with each of the earbuds. In terms of the price, this is one of the reasons for which I've stuck with SoundPEATS for a while now. And the reason I've stuck with them is just because of the fact that they produce an amazing amount of entry points in terms of price to value ratio. You are getting incredible performance with this, and the price is just really amazing. You are getting it at $80, but this is the interesting part of this price. And when you buy using the Amazon link, which I'll provide in the description box, you are going to find out that in terms of checking out, you are getting a coupon that gives you around 25% off. So it means that already there's a discount going on with this kind of Air5 Pro. Now, when you use the code SPA5PDV01, if you use that code, you're also getting extra 15%. So relatively, you are getting this bud for far cheaper price. So within the budget segment of the earbud system, whether you are looking for a fun design, looking for amazing price to value ratio, you are looking for a sound quality that is supported by Snapdragon Qualcomm, you are getting this at a budget price from SoundPEATS. I really like this, and I think that within the budget and price bracket range, SoundPEATS is delivering a punch for value in terms of giving you the best of earbuds at relatively cheaper price. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. My name is Abiku, and I'm going to see you in this video. Peace out.